Hi, I know this is not the usual look for me. I was out running and I just felt compelled to really tell you my story um, of Dig Your Photos and how it came to be. Honestly, I was struggling because I had been helping clients organize their print photos, and while they love to go through their photos, it just really brought a lot of stress to them. And the whole fact that their photos were not disorganized and dusty and maybe stored improperly and fading, they didn't want to deal with it. And on top of that, there is a whole host of plethora of people who just don't even know that photo managers exist to help them, or don't have the means to hire one and just don't know where to get help. And so I was struggling with this and thinking about it really a lot. And some of you already know this, but it actually came to me in a vivid dream. And honestly, I rarely remember my dreams. I won't say I don't dream, but I just don't remember them. And this came to me, and it came to me as create a game to make it fun and easy to be successful for anyone to organize their own print photos. And I kind of woke up with that aha feeling, honestly, but I ignored it for a little while. I was just like, this had to have been done already, or it's not a great idea because otherwise it would have been done. But it just kept coming back to me. So I felt like really compelled to do it. And I don't want to say that the universe gives you signs or that somebody was telling me that it needed to be done, but I do feel like it was I do feel like it was a sign for me. And so I did it. And while it's not a game, I've gamified and made organizing your own print photos fun and easy to be successful, and really given you permission to, start small, do what you can, and then move on from there. So really, go check it out, digyourphotos.com. And I really just want to help people save their stories and be able to relive the memories, because photos give people such joy. And sharing those photos with our nieces and nephews and our children and our grandchildren, that's what life is all about, sharing the stories. Thanks for indulging me.